welcome to Ouch Palang Show. Another week. Kira bising sa kota matanda.
Right.
Tapi kita mag chikubi kami na beo kani na puno mga ni borong bulu bikina. And nanon da ngoro taki na mataka di monitor ko.
Well, good morning to those tuning in through Facebook and also YouTube. And also watching through TikTok.
Yeah.
Double tap, guys. And mataka di vaka dhambi singe ni kwa.
Well, good morning each and everyone joining this morning, even though it's a very dull Monday. It's not a dull Monday. It's a very good moment for us.
It's a dull on Monday.
It's a dull. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Right.
We welcome you for the new week, for the new endurance of life that we are coming this morning.
Waduh tadi bikin ini sama tuh mana masih murah apa mimi bikin ini sama tuh mana lori taxi ini bahasa ni ando mata boleh cuma mana mata kan ikuai ngolong mereka tak so ngolong listar tuh kembali suka tuh nada and mata kan dai a very good morning to you all.
Pita masih lara bilesenian dong boleh benaka. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Right.
Well, good morning to everyone.
Iya.
Who are joining from the outer island of Fiji.
Okay.
From the outer island of Vitilevu.
Right.
From the outer area boundary of the town.
Right.
Thank you for all the drivers. They're out of from their Commonwealth Games. From the community. We thank you. We thank you.
You look nice, boy.
Okay, today you tell us about the trip down to Singatoka.
Right.
Okay,
What happened along the way?
Singatoka was a very beautiful, man. We went down for the Nahegevia Sevens.
Nahegevia Sevens.
Yeah, for the.
Ano man nakikita turang nita, maramanita.
This day, Friday,
Yeah.
Saturday, we come back yesterday at 3 p.m.
Why? How come?
No, because we were cool down, relax, brother Jew and Rabinaka.
Right.
Beletare. So we was there for the first day. Before we start. Siti Ndele and the family. Thank you. Ndele boleh libungo.
Ano manaka?
And Ndele botoa bi Siti Ndele botoa.
Right.
And don't boleh benaka. And after that, first day we.
Where you sleep?
One apartment there.
Woo! Why mon apartment?
Why mon apartment gore na labi sele.
Okay. The Messian tour went last week to.
Okay.
How many nights you spent together?
So.
This day,
Yeah.
Friday, Saturday,
3 nights.
Sunday come again.
Yeah.
Like 3.
3 nights altogether.
Yeah.
So you spent the Valentine's Day in Singatoka as well?
Hey,
Ay!
Sambo!
Valentine's Day is Friday.
Yung na.
Oh, we don't know it's Valentine's Day.
Iyo.
And what happened?
No.
When you
what
send
happened?
On Friday we went to Lase
Yeah.
Oh.
together with Jew Cokes
Yeah.
from Woivo in Rewa.
Ano man turang night lalangan ni?
And 2 boys, one from Miao,
Yeah.
Right.
and 1-2 from our Weka from Motoriki.
Ano man kayo?
So we went, we was doing one drinking grog in Lase.
Right.
Oh.
Did tuan know that it's Valentine's Day?
I don't know.
Sino one ay tagi ko may
Wana ay may na mata kay buturak.
The photo you sent that morning, I saw the what you call the bedsheet.
Oh, I know which one. I know which one was showing this one. It's the Mrs. Michaele. Isa muturang tadi. It's very good when going down to Nahegevia. Thank you very much for the everything. It's such a wonderful. Every sevens I went to.
Right.
Nahegevia. Oh, thank you very much. Very good one. Best.
Number one.
Number one.
Right.
The services.
Right.
The Nabikawitaki. And the endurance. Thank you very much.
Woo! So, like yesterday, what time you reach Suba?
After 3
In the afternoon.
in the afternoon.
Such
We just cruised down. After that, then we went for the
Siliti.
the Dreus.
Iya.
Dreus Marika said we go to Wailoku.
Yeah.
We doing one grog of Binaka Thanksgiving.
Yesterday.
Right.
Yeah. But I said I unable to go. Sorry, because we have one teach too for the youth in our village.
Oh, okay. Sama loki na.
Iyo.
Yeah, abo mo tami songot tanong tu bital mo tadi ko lang nga, so sweet.
Right.
There are 2 ladies there in for the during the
Nahegevia.
and they are twins. They are Rundrua.
Mm.
Talo taga mantan na numsangoleni. Watakina Fijian mbuninga,
Right.
ro tokar na maramanita.
Mm.
Watakina ka do iko sa taban na lumani bidana singa.
The very first thing, good morning to Andreu Luque, Andreu Yato, Andreu Simintengay, Andreu Marika, and also all the Andreu. Vamos lá tunga biko na verono coach ni matimi ni Broncos. This is Andreu Adaratuba and Langay. Thank you very much for joining this morning. And also to all the runners, the volunteer, the official. During everything was on par because of the runner. To Andreu Kaka, Andreu Ivaro, and the family who was there. All the Andreu and the family too. Novo is a dance group. So from there, I didn't know that they are twins. Because only one of them was there in the gate, and I don't know the other one.
So one stayed with the gate. You're staying.
Right.
And the other one is in the control room.
Right,
go, right.
So they was there. I don't know, when I'm talking to the first one, we just kept on talking. The other one came and the room because there is
when the one in the control came outside, coach
because I don't know the other twins, So the gate, I was in the room of the calendar sale.
Right.
So as soon as you enter on the right, he was there. So anything happened with the change, or the cigarette, na cigarette si mermeandu ano na cigarette ni, they will come into that room.
The problem is you whisper to one, and after that you whisper to another one, and you don't know that they are two.
Whisper mesemo dengango. So when they come, I was talking to the first one. Then I don't know the second one was coming, and I was talking to the second one. Like the soul is gone, Ni was to ko makayali to nelona. Because she don't know. What's the real story about what I'm asking for? So they was.
Why are you asking?
Why you
because of the program and for the runners, did he like that?
You know what? You the MC.
He's a helper. So from there, I was like this. And afternoon, the first day of the game, when they come together, twins. We are twins. The twins from Nahegevia. Henimbitu twins, they was there. And I was calling, I'm sorry. I was talking to him. Silently, Merto Bangarayaw. Metaba ke messing toka. Then they sorry was because I don't know the twins.
Sorry, I was playing this one and I don't know it was this one.
For the twins, This is sisters of Pedeliato.
Sanjina.
Pedeliato. Thank you very much for the lovely food they prepared. Very good. Very good.
You eat the what?
The prawns, everything from the top. The toka, the lingi,
pig.
Two are there.
Everything two.
Very good, very good. Very lovely food, very lovely hospitality.
Good morning.
Thank you very much to the Nahegevia Sevens and abroad. Thank you. And also to the district of Waidhomba and Abonoba Turango Nahegevia. Thank you very much. After that game, as soon as I coming there, I would like to say good morning to the two sisters Vasu from Nakalabo.
On top.
Nakalabo. Nakalabo Nanrong. So he was there. Ngoro Vasu ni Nabakasali. Wainununbua. Thank you very much for the hospitality. Then after that, they coming the referee association. They give one container.
What?
The takeaway? This is the grog. Sino may na takeaway ko na container live? Mungay ngunu.
Ako na mamada.
Ako na mamada may tumbo. Then ningay watiyaw sa bangko talaga berton lalaya. I'm sorry, I'm about to leave.
Di ko dem starting today sa
onwards.
Oy koronita ka na boleh. Iko to may lam suka begitu.
Ngunu ba mada?
Mada, medaba.
Kaya boleh koronita ka ba?
Ahorita ka bandu ni baru ya sa dotan.
Kung durere ba ka na?
Kung durere ba ka?
Sala ko mo chukar ni to ka mo turbis.
Roda, dona singa yan mati.
Gori.
Kakuni ka, ola ko ba ni?
Iko na mati na to da katali.
Ayo, bakambula. When he was there,
Yeah.
I was like this, Sisa.
Yeah.
Everybody was asking, where's Volici?
Iyo.
Volici come because they want to drink with Volici.
Oh,
Maybe one time then
Yeah.
people will come.
They want to, because this one is,
if Volici come, all than heavy away.
yeah.
Yeah.
If, no, this is what you call the one
Sosara.
who walking from Moiland. I said to the people, don't bring Mikael Ngalombu lagi ya.
Yeah.
Because otherwise you will see the one happening in Wailanda. Yeah, the moving cup and also the moving wheels. Whenever lagi.
The fan.
Hey, ano binaka to all the students of MGM in the house today.
Belum nak?
They're having their in the house today.
Right.
Abang bibiti ko na na Blue House Beka. And a carnival na MGM.
Nabaliw.
Nabalebu sasar cuma indongo sama cuma na TikTok ve Kiran, good morning.
Yeah.
619 and Rabana, nabalebu sarna sama tumai. And matagani kuwa na baka misinga and ya watu ni ouch palangi show. Nabalebu sar punjes and buku ni namuni beito ko nitigo
Pano ni binaka bulmeng karabi binabaliw sar na nomunibes mati bulmay na
Iko
matakan
kabaya
kuwa.
kira bito mun don ma taleng.
Iyo, kanganggur ko sa napital mo do kinaki. Pesto na zilen, bilesenia binabaliw sar na munisya bulmay bili kamida.
Right.
Pano ni binaka bulmeng karabi.
Mr. Nice, ayu tol kay na?
Be ogana zoga.
Right.
Ayo bobo puto auto mono kife pati vodoiwa.
Right.
Ekue na negena amoana felicite no to uta relem. Mo wilka man tamena common ni ogan zuge. Ayo bobo puto toto mono kife pati podoa ekue nan gine na ame ma felicite. No to toto relem poko te kalite con uduzo lo poleta le sono gratis WhatsApp 5094219631. Semada buko.
Karena kata beber orang masuk di Australia.
Dor binaka.
And matang ko biki kada dora sige binaka ni ko dora madabo and matanda satu ko matanda.
Right.
Kita sa pagod ni binaka sigara na buli bito kanin buli tabi garabi.
Dir sir.
Mana korro pagakina na nonda bi korro ni takata. Mana bisi burura sa kito lolo mo tedi biki muni na matang ni ko.
Maingilan digo.
Iyo.
O Brasta.
Oi.
Sama cuma yan TikTok account.
Iyo.
Sa. Nabalew sar na sar cuma yan may Brasta.
Yeah.
O Brasta. O ingilan di na Top Cliff.
Yeah.
Do yan rabna ka sar tumiki no Brasta. Na matak binaka ni ko.
Keto me keto sadaba. Ngai like siya ta to non dalay binamatani ko binabalik
Double
sa
tap,
nalolo.
guys,
Thank you very
double
much.
tap.
Iyo.
We love you.
Biki muni na kada bisi toka. Era tau tumpa ni hotel la ro idiliki na sa boleh tukina dona benalew.
Senta munda mungango.
The Messi and Tua were here.
Yo, gandang lisim.
All right.